that's where we're at today. You can hear it in the background. It's gonna be fun. David is here to join me. What will we shoot? A Glock 19, Gen 4, 9mm. Should be fun. Well, I can tell everyone, Mr. Mike and Mr. David went shooting today. You saw us go to the shooting range for that first video of our new series. Now I gotta tell you, shooting that Glock 19 was really fun. However, the first one, we had to stop shooting it because I stopped because the trigger wouldn't pull back because it was already pulled back all the way.
Do I think of my first time shooting? I didn't really think much of it before. I didn't really think much about shooting a gun, but once you start shooting it, it's so fucking loud that it's scary.
40 feet! That's how we do it at 40 feet. Every time I shot that thing, I could feel all of the gases being released in my face, as if somebody was standing in front of me with their pants down and farting in my face. Okay, kill zombies, David. Shooting zombies, we got him in the face. I heard like one of the first shots I did, he went straight through his eye. Well, me and David shot guns. We ended up, the first gun didn't really work out so well, so this gentleman, the gunsmith, brought us a Glock that I don't know really much. It was a Glock 19 Gen 4, but it had the holes on the side to let out the gas, so that the recoil wasn't as bad. And I gotta say, it was really fun. And this guy behind me, it's his first time. And I gotta tell you, great job, David. Great job. So who knows? More adventures coming from Mr. Mac, and gotta thank Mr. David here for joining me in these videos, because, you know, it's what we're doing, we're entertaining. It's not always about jokes, it's about, oh, you probably saw some of those bullets, the casings hitting the camera. That was kind of fun, right? But anyways.
It's a lot louder than I thought it'd be. I knew it was gonna be loud, but that was pretty loud.
Hey, but you know what? All that matters is that we had a good time. Well, this is Mr. Mike and Mr. David. Peacing out, everybody.